office.
Hey, we're live?
All right.
Hey!
Hi, Hometown Heat Pumps here. We're getting ready to draw our winners. So I hope all of you are tuning in. I'm Christy, by the way.
I'm Hannah.
I'm Danielle, and we're the ladies in the office that answer the phones and talk to you guys on Facebook.
Right. We're going to send out invites to everyone if I can figure out how. So I think I'll just give it to Danielle.
Oh yeah, no pressure here.
Right.
Okay.
So tell all your friends, invite all your friends, tell them we're live, come watch us, see who the winners are. Silence.
Silence. I know, awkward silence. Sorry guys. Oh, we got somebody popping up and saying hello.
Great.
Can't see it from here though.
Oh, we got more.
Oh, look at that.
Are they popping up over here? Did you figure out how to invite?
No.
That, what kids are outside?
Josh had done it.
Yep, so.
Do you have to go to the video? Alec, do you know how to send out the invites? We can't seem to pull it up over here.
Right.
Because we need to be on the page, right?
Hey, look at us. We're all, hey, look, way, there we go.
All right. Yeah, I'm not sure if I can send out the invites on here.
I start seeing some likes coming up. So
Great.
people are watching. Hello.
Excellent.
Great. Well, and this is Rob over here from Wind Supply. They are giving the free heat pump.
Hi, Courtney. Good luck. Hi, Angela.
And there's Josh.
Hi, Kyle.
Other guys that you guys see in the field.
James. Chase.
How do you, I don't know how to get to it.
Hi, Darla. Hi, Angela. Good luck.
How do you get to the video?
That's a good looking.
You gotta figure this out. Rick, did you say who you were, Rick?
Hi, Rick. Good luck, everybody.
Right. This is going to be a lot of fun. We're excited. Actually, you can see
Share.
all the entries in this tote. I'm going to stick this behind you, Danielle.
Okay.
Here's all of our entries. We had 4,155 people enter the giveaway. There are many ways to earn extra entries, as you all know, commenting on Facebook and sharing. There are over 15,000 names in this tote.
Yes, it was a lot of folding. Some of you might have seen our little Facebook Live as Christy and I were folding and cutting.
Yes.
Yes. 15,000.
Want to stir?
A lot of paper.
Just don't drop anybody.
No, or anybody putting it on. All right.
Yeah, we'll have to be careful. We don't want to lose any names. That won't be good.
I'll just roll up my sleeves.
Right. We do have a couple announcements we want to make today as well while we wait for everybody to log in and view us. We have a new warranty. It's a 12-year labor and parts warranty. So this is a big one. It's going to cover labor for 12 years. This is for any heat pump that any company installed in the past 2 years. Didn't have to be installed by us. Could be installed by any company, but we can offer this to you. And we can give you more information later. We'll have a post going up after the drawing that will show the two plans, how much it costs, what's involved. So if you're interested in having a 12-year labor warranty, definitely check it out.
And I'd like to let everybody know that the hybrid hot water heaters will still be on sale until the end of this month. There is a $750 instant rebate, so it's $400. That includes your tax, and it will be delivered to your home. So give us a call, place your order.
Yep. All right. Were you able to invite?
Just shared it out.
Yeah.
You shared it out. Okay. All right. Are we ready?
Yeah.
Ready for the big one?
Oh, we also have the bonus prize. We set out a post and we called everybody that earned the bonus prize.
Yes.
So make sure you come in and pick it up.
Or
Any treats.
check your message, Facebook Messenger. We've reached out to people with that as well.
Yep. Okay.
You ready?
Alrighty.
I think so. The
Ready?
winner.
Ready for the big moment, everybody?
The winner is going to receive a Fujitsu Multi 24 heat pump with 2 indoor heads right here in front of you. All right, this is
ready?
exciting.
I'm
Let's
gonna
see
dig
what it
in.
is.
There it is.
Right.
Yeah, I know. It's a little sad. All right.
And a drum roll.
Drum roll.
Here is Clifton Norton Jr. from Machiasport.
Congratulations. All right.
Way to go, Clifford.
All right.
Okay, so our next drawing, second place, is for the A.O. Smith heat pump hot water heater.
Yep.
Everybody ready?
We're ready.
All right.
Reach in. Who is this going to be?
Okay.
No looking. Just
I
get
got
one.
Okay. And I have Beth Lockhart from Searsport.
All right.
Congratulations,
Congratulations.
Excuse me.
Okay, we also have 2 other drawings here, so we're going to have 2 more winners. Our second drawing.
This is for $500 off heat pump installation. Everyone that had an in-home consultation during the giveaway is entered into this drawing. There's 266 names in here. And it's good for $500 off a heat pump install. If you've already had a heat pump installed by us during the giveaway, we'll write you a check for $500. So, good luck.
All right. Here we go. Just get one.
Only one?
Yep,
Only one.
Jayne Champagne of Waterville.
All right. Congratulations, Jayne. Congratulations. We're going to have another drawing.
All right, so this one here is for everyone that had an heat pump installed by us since December 1st of 2018 is going to be eligible or drawn from this. The winner is going to get free 12-year parts and labor warranty on heat pump and 2 free annual cleanings.
Yes. So great prize for all of you that got one installed. And we'll see. No peeking.
Only one.
Only one. Let's see who wins it.
All right, I got Chris and Kiowa Roberts
Robert.
from Plymouth.
All right. Congratulations.
Alrighty, wow. So,
Wow. Well, we also wanted to thank everyone for entering. We had a lot of fun in this giveaway. We hope you guys had a lot of fun.
I did, and I actually, all the entries that I put in, every time you guys commented on one of our posts and everything, I was there clicking away, adding all your entries. I actually got to know a lot of you people by name
Yeah.
throughout the months of doing this for the giveaway. So that was kind of neat, and actually met Todd Healy, who actually was one of the bonus prize winners. He came in to pick up his bonus prize into the office, so that was really interesting to actually put a face with the people that I've entered so much.
Yeah, so the rest of you come in and get your bonus prizes. And again, the 2 announcements, we have the 12-year labor and parts warranty. So check out the post on Facebook in a little bit. That will be going up. And again, that's for any heat pump that's been installed in the past 2 years by any company. Doesn't have to be by us, but we can offer that warranty for you.
And the A.O. Smith hybrid hot water heat pump are still on sale to the end of this month. And then you get another $750 instant rebate. So that comes to $400. And that's including your tax, and it will be delivered to your home.
And I'd like to thank everybody else, again, that had entered our giveaway. I'd also like to thank all our employees. This was a lot of work behind the scenes between answering the phones, answering the comments on Facebook, replying to everybody. It's been very important to do that. consults that me and Rick have been going out and doing, and the installs that the guys have been doing. So I'd just like to thank all you. You guys did a really good job. A lot of work, 3 long months, but it finally come to an end. So congratulations to our winners, and thank you guys. Thank you very much.
Yep, we also wanted to thank Wind Supply for helping with the giveaway. They had a huge part in this. So
Absolutely.
Thank you guys for having us be part of the giveaway. It was awesome. You guys did a
Absolutely.
great
All
job and worked your butts off.
All right, so thank
All
you.
right, yep, yay, good luck.